What up, YouTube? Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land, and this is Witness Riders. Guys, if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. We're only 2 away from 100 subscribers, then we'll be giving that watch away. Guys, I appreciate your support and everything, and I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. I'm going to try and make some changes this year, get a little bit more car content going on, and start trying to get more towards what I actually came up with Witness Riders for as a channel for you guys. So anyway, guys, I'm on my way over to Matt Hornbuckle's right now. I have no idea if anything's over there or what. I'm just going over there kind of like a pop-in visit on him. So anyway, I hope he's okay with it. And guys, when we get there, I'll continue this video. Hey guys, look, did a little small video there over at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing, hung out with the guys, we went and had lunch. I decided not to film all that and actually spend time and enjoy hanging around people. Anyway guys, until our next video, we look forward to you riding with us.
Dum